Why does this look heavenly? Why do I look like I'm in heaven? Why is the background glowing? Okay, anyways, I get back. And I'm stressing for what reason? No reason. Anyways, I want to set my intention for this trip. Let me tell you. I want to become more clear-headed. I want to feel inspired and refreshed. I want to feel at peace, and I want to take advantage of all the hiking routes and everything. Like, I just want to explore. I'm so excited. And I want to have like cozy nights with my friends and the stars. Like, I'm so excited. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna have a great time. And there's no reason to stress. I just need to like stay on my mission and pack quickly. Honestly, like sometimes I feel like I can't rush. Maybe I should play some kind of music. Some kind of music that makes me like, you know, makes me wanna go.
It is now.
Bro, we're trying to fit 6 people in this car.
No, that's why I'm gonna lock all the doors so that doesn't happen.
Yeah, but do you think that would ever happen?
Bro, we got stuff over there too. How are we gonna do it?
Yeah, watch out.
This is the only way we're gonna fit.
This is how it's gonna work. Okay. The only one left.
The shovel.
I don't know if you can see me.
Hey,
Wait, I'm not in, guys.
oh man. Danny.
We'll make breaks so you can all breathe.
Literally.
Okay, everyone sit.
Switch spots.
Everyone has to sit.
Well, we're probably stuck on top of you.
Okay. Who's going in first?
Water. Oh, this
Washed out.
I found yours right now.
Alicia! Are you sure you're okay? He's literally drowning! He's drowning!
It's okay, I have all the stuff around me. If I get hungry, I'll just like grab something and eat.
Yummy!
Someone put your seatbelt like.
No, it's just because
We're having our
open a
first
window.
costume.
Can we please can we open a window or a door? Because I think we're gonna like breathe all the oxygen in here.
But if we take breaks, it's gonna be like worse.
Let's not distract him.
this is nothing. Start driving back.
We're gonna run in a field.
Look at that field. Oh. Bathe myself in that. So you see like a stock in it. Sounds like the thing from like my opposite.
It's like nails on a chalkboard.
No. Oh, you see them.
I'm sorry!
Bible record? Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
I light it!
Pussy on the bed, $1 million pussy like pounds on her ass. Those checks don't bounce. You can't afford this. Only bad bitch in the Forbes list. Rub hands like Birdman.
My bitch choosy, never fuck without a rubber, sweet yellow.
I love it, dog.
Y'all bitches can't even spell camping.
K-A-P-I-N.
K.
Capin.
Yo, she fly with it. She fly with it. Wow. She fly. Explain the fit, please.
Right now I'm wearing Insightful Jewelry. It's their 1 year anniversary. And Insightful Jewelry. BittersweetNostalgia.com. Next we got the Yeti fit. You already know I stay cozy. We got the mismatching shoes because I don't know where my other sandal went in the car. So
You see your mattress?
Hey girlies, life update. It's 1:41. I found my other sandal. Hand down to those sandals. We got our pump footin' and foot pumping and pumping mattress. Here and
Face up. Let's go.
Bruv, you would not believe.
Wait, this phone is falling out of my hand.
You would not believe. You would not believe what happened. We brought the wrong tent. We brought the wrong tent poles. We're all gonna stack up in that tiny little tent in the back, one on top of the other, just like we were in the car. We're gonna play a little game of sardines. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So I'll let you know how that goes. Keep you updated. Okay, remember how we taped up the tent poles? It stood up for the first 2 nights, even though my sleeping experience wasn't really that great because like there weren't enough blankets and I was like sleeping basically on a yoga mat, air mattressless. But anyways, it kept up. Everything was good. The tent, and the last night, the tent fell. We just felt like the tent on our face. There was like condensation. It was like falling on us. There would be water falling to our face. Like one of the girls was freezing and wet and cold and shivering. It was not good. I actually died in the morning when I saw the photos. You could literally see the outlines of our bodies like in the tent. Like we were just so done and tired. We didn't even care. We were like, it is what it is. And we're just gonna sleep like that. Shout out Marianne for fixing it and getting up and doing what she does. Hello. I'm in the car and I don't know. I feel so anxious, like I'm literally shaking. I feel like there's thunder and lightning in my body, like I'm shaking. I need to focus on my mission, which is gaining mental clarity. I'm just trying to meditate. I think I might just try to warm up. I don't know if I'm shaking because I'm cold or because I'm like having a panic attack. Or anxiety attack. I don't know. But I know what I need to do, so. Yeah. It's my birthday, by the way. It's my 20th birthday. I just finished my freaking teenage years. Like, that's fucking crazy. Like, I'm in my 20s. Like, I felt like I was in my 20s earlier. But no, like, now. Now I'm in my 20s, you know. Wow. Okay, I gotta go. Bro, I just woke up. It's Marianne. The lighting is like off. Oh! We're chilling. There's just like batteries hanging. She put up a little installation. I'll show you at night with the lights on. You know, the ambiance.
I came in clutch.
Yes, babe.
I can heat up some milk.
Dear Lord, what?
That bitch with the phone. Okay, I thought you were like inhaling smoke. I'm like, you have a death wish.
Ah, the lungs, they like the smoke. It's better than cigarettes.
What?
This is Olivia. Say hi.
Hello.
Hey, girly. Hudson.
Buongiorno.
Who are you?
This hobo bitch that we
And my name's Shalissa.
or woodsies.
Oh my god.
$1 million man. Sexy
I did the red one. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the blue one.
There's water lilies.
Close-up shot.
No, let's get the nature. I need to make the
These are like
montage.
stupidly old.
Okay, let's get a peek inside. It's straight up mean. She's hydrated. Cheers.
My water bottle.
Oh, it's perfect.
Do you have a specific
Abundance.
bag for this?
No.
Should I leave it on the
Yeah, just leave it on the thing. We just have like a bunch
Bruh, all this for 6 people. Look at how much liquor they got us. All pink and red. We got the weight clock, we got the turn off, we got the rosé. I already know this man's not impressed.
sake time. Put that.
The haunting and the haunted play the game no one can win. The spirits come at midnight and by dawn they're gone again. So it seems our destiny.
Why is that like cantaloupe?
I told you.
The alcoholic cantaloupe. So
Ride
weird.
that ever change your way.
Cheers and then go.
Cheers.
Wait, don't
No! Cheers!
Will somebody wear me to the fair? Will a lady pin me in her hair? Will a child find me by a string? Kiss my petals, weave me through a dream. For all of these simple things and much more, a flower was born. It blooms to spread love and joy, faith and hope.
Ta-da, we're in the park.
People forlorn. Inside every man lives the seed of life. If he looks within.
No, look how... Oh, it's like fuzzy on the other side. Look at this.
Why is that it's fuzzy? Do you think it traps the water?
Maybe. But it's on the
'Cause-
underside.
Yeah. Or maybe there's little bugs that live in it and they have a symbiotic relationship.
Perhaps. These grown kids are fun, dude. I can use...
Hey fans!
Yeah, my phone's gonna die too.
Wash dishes again.
I'm so ready.
I would rather clean than cook.
Really, I would rather cook.
Yes, start with the cleaning.
I can preach that.
Bro, hurry up.
It's right here. But these are core strings.
Yeah. Shoulders and core.
There you go.
Ooh.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Take a bite. Don't choke.
Ooh, that actually looks so nice.
Good stuff.
My voice is so annoying. Like I can't imagine hearing it.
You're perfect.
Oh, I really am that person.
You're perfect.
Any that complains.
So am I.
We're good.
Oh,
So
okay.
much.
You're like touching it too.
Like, he's touching the amber.
Babe, you cook your marshmallows the same way she cooks her hot dogs.
Yeah, but hot dogs are different than marshmallows.
No.
The bickering couple.
Mm-mm.
I love you guys.
Wait, are they pre-cooked?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And then we celebrated my birthday. My friend pulled out the cake that literally rode in the car with us for 10 hours. So it was jumbled up. It's been through a lot, honestly. But yeah, we celebrated 20 years of life, 20 laps around the sun. Happy birthday to me.
I left drinking on the city train to spend some time on the road. Then one morning I woke up in LA, got my breath on the go. I've been going through a change. I might never be sure. I'm just walking in a haze. I'm not ready to turn.
Bonjour, aujourd'hui nous sommes à la plage. Nous sommes à la plage. C'est très beau. Et je pense qu'il y a un concept très intéressant. Like, I feel like our minds, our real estate, sometimes I think of like what other people see me as, or like I see the situation outside of my eyes and I realize that's other people or society standards, whatever, like taking up real estate in my mind. You know, like you don't share your toothbrush, you can't share your mind. It's like you're like if you think what other people are thinking of you for them, you know, it's like you know what I mean. Like you take that as your own, and then you gotta really
Like,
protect.
what do you think of yourself? Not like. What do you
If I'm saying this with a blurry ass camera, like yeah.
Should I go?
No, come in here.
No. I don't want to be in it.
Oh, you're in it.
No. Oh, I can't.
No.
Only fan. You can go. There you go.
Only memories remain. Only memories remain. For a time there by the sea.
We're all packed up.
Only memories.